Hi, everybody. I'm back because I am super excited to share this new update that I found in Chat GPT. For those of us who use it to make a lot of charts and tables, it's been a little bit cumbersome how that table information uh, pasted into Excel and Google Sheets. But it seems like there is a faster way to do it, but you have to do it a certain way. Let's look at it. So first, I asked it to make a table. It did that. And the regular way that you did it is you copy and you paste it, and you end up with something like this. And in order to get it to look like a real table, you then have to go here to split text into columns. You have to do a custom separator, indicate that. And this is how you end up getting it into an actual table format. You then have to kind of delete that weird wonky row, select the table, format it, et cetera, et cetera. If you know what you're doing, it's not, it's a lot faster than doing it manually, but it just wasn't the easiest way to do it. So let me show you the way that we can achieve the same thing now with, it looks like, the update that they've done. So instead of hitting the copy button down here, you can go in and just highlight the table. Before, when you highlighted the table, you actually got the exact same thing. But now, when I highlight and copy the table and I come back to my spreadsheet, I can hit Ctrl V paste, and it pastes with all of the formatting. So this is a huge deal, a huge time saver. I'm super excited. Try it on your own and let me know how it works. All right, thanks for watching.